So I was battling cancer last year, and I was able to work half my shifts. The best thing ever, though, was when I got my chemo head. I know I freaked people out with that, but I had a great henna head tattoo all over my head, and it was fantastic, and it was the best part about chemo. Well, I won the award for my commitment to excellence, and I really believe that if you're going to come to work, that you have to put your best foot forward, and I'm expected to do that, and I want to do that, because if you've ever had anyone that's been sick and in the hospital and treated in the hospital, you've probably seen some things you would like to have changed. Well, my opportunity here is to change things, change people's perception about a bad experience that maybe they had. And when they come in the door, I greet them. I want them to know they're welcome, and that I'm caring for them, and I think about them, and that I care what they're going to go through that day. And when they leave, I want them to know that I genuinely care what they went through. The ACE Award.
Improving health every day.
Go above and beyond.
Doing it to tear away.
Keeping the patients safe.
Improving health every day.
A good listener.
Doing it to tear away.
The respect, compassion, and dignity.
Improving health every day.
The integrity, commitment.
Doing it the tear away. You're simply the best. Better than our worst. Committed to excellence. Every day, every way. Doing it the tear away. Ooh.